Let's do a switcheroo and see how to look with this. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today I am super excited to bring you guys another no-sew tutorial. Yes, it is a little bit controversial. I know some people are gonna love these and some people are gonna hate them, but I've been seeing them all over the internet, so I decided to try it. And I saw actually on TikTok a girl, her ad is at Feel Good Fashion. It might be Feel Good Fashion. I'm not sure, but I'll put it right here. She did these and so I was like, oh, that looks super easy. Why don't I do it on YouTube? So let's DIY these cow jeans and style them in 3 ways. All right, so I have these pants. They are by who knows, because they have no tag. All I know is that they fit absolutely perfectly. Oh, they have a lead button. They're lead jeans, but they fit amazing. And I got them for $1.50 at the thrift outlet. So all I'm going to do is, and there's actually one little spot here of blue, so I'm gonna make sure I cover that with the paint. But all I'm going to do is take a pencil and begin to sketch what I want. And I'm purposely not gonna do it super dark, but begin to sketch the design I want. And these are on like 50 million different websites. I think I want mine to look a little bit more like ink blots. So of course I have my reference here. These particular ones I'm looking at are from Romwe. And yeah, let's get to sketching. All right, so here is what I have. This one right here looks like a ducky. I think that's funny. But all the way from the waistband, pockets, all the way down. I like mine to look more like continents and islands. So we are going to go ahead and pour the paint, and this is the paint that I got. I didn't want slick. Slick is not what I was looking for. In my own stash, I have more, but it's in storage right now, so I had to just deal with it. All right, so my technique for this is going to be really to start at the bottom and work my way up to the top, and to start on the edges and then fill it in. So I think I'm gonna start off with this brush. It's nice and firm, and I think it'll do well. So I'm gonna start right here first. And if you wanna know, I have painted jeans before. I have another tutorial right here for some really colorful jeans that someone suggested to me to do. And I absolutely love how they turned out. I didn't do mine exactly like the picture. This is just a special case because, you know, the cow print is what we're trying to do. I should have put paper down. That should have been a given before I started, but I did not. I'm gonna make sure I get that edge so it's nice and crisp. All right, that's the first one down. I'm gonna do this one and then I'll show you the end. All right, now we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Now we have to wait for it to dry and then turn it over and do the other side. All right, so I turned it over to the other side and I marked off where it looked like it should go, you know, continue from one side to the other. That's the advantage of painting versus buying the ones in the store, because the ones in the store, they don't match up between the seams. So you can make yours match up if you're painting it. I just freehanded. I didn't look so much at the picture this time because I had the reference from, you know, coming from the other side. And you can see with painting, the disadvantage is that, you know, it kind of feels like this. But at the end, we're gonna iron it and it'll be a little bit better. So hopefully you guys can see that. Marking on white is hard, but I tried my best to make it a little bit darker this time. So I am going to go ahead and mark the other side of the pants and go ahead and paint this side. And then all we'll have to do is let that dry and iron it. And when we're done, we can get ready to style these. And before we go to the styling, guys, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. I have tutorials, sewing tutorials, and no-sew tutorials. This was a no-sew tutorial. Yes, this was made from just one oversized t-shirt with just some scissors. I promise you, go watch the video. I'll link it above. But definitely hit that subscribe button because we're always doing something new and trendy and just amazing over here. And we're almost at 200,000 subscribers and I want to get there soon. So yes, hit that subscribe button and let's go do some styling of these cow jeans. I don't know exactly how we're gonna style it, but we're gonna try.
Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling, and I'm not denying it, no.
Here are the jeans. I actually like these. They took some time, like one whole day to finish one side and then wait to the next day because it had to dry and then turn it over and do the other side. So yeah, I might have almost been better off doing a sewing project this week, but I was not sure how I was gonna like these. I just did them because I've been seeing them everywhere. But my daughter came in, she's like, "You doing those old ugly jeans?" I'm like, "Yes, I'm doing these old ugly jeans." But I actually like them and we're gonna explore ways to style them because I was like thinking, is styling it with just something black or just something white the only way to style these? And I looked it up to see what other people were styling with. Of course, I found nothing. So we're going to explore this a little bit. These may not be super popular this year, maybe next year, as I always pick things that are never like right at their height of popularity for some reason. But yes, here we are. Oh, let me tell you, this took a whole 4-ounce bottle of paint. So you might want to get extra just in case if your jeans are bigger or you want more black on them than I have. It took it almost exactly. I have a little bit left in the bottles. And also definitely make sure that when you are painting them, when you're doing these outside lines, brush it in towards the middle, because when I did the first ones, like the little ducky here, remember I said that's my ducky? You could see where I lined it versus where I filled it in, and I don't like that. I really wanted, just to look uniform like most of them do. The only drawback I see of them is this. So yeah, that can be a big deal when you're walking. Nobody wants to be doing that. So like I'm purposely, walking to not rub my legs together, but I know, don't at me, I know that is not an option for some people. So, buying the ones in the store may be a better option. Or if you guys have any comments or any tips on how to like make this softer, I know I mentioned maybe ironing it on top. That may help it to turn soft, or after you wash it for the first time, maybe it'll get softer. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think to make that softer and get rid of that sound. Or is it just something that happens, maybe not putting paint on the inside so you don't get that. That may be an option as well. So let's do some exploration. I have extra shoes right here. I have my capsule wardrobe because you guys know I'm in an apartment right now. So I don't have nearly all of my clothes, but I have been interested to see how it would look with the infamous black and white top that we did last week. So let's do a switcheroo and see how to look with this.
Lights go out, I move like I'm over you. Nothing on my mind but the beating truth. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight.
All right, so let's try the third outfit. Let's do something with color. I'm thinking something solid, but like a bright color. So I think I have a few tank tops. I don't know which one though. I have yellow, a bright yellow. You guys let me know which one you think. Or a bright green. That's kind of cute. Or like this bluish green color here. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm torn. I'm torn. I'm torn.
Ain't no limit while we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
All right, so I picked the yellow. I think it goes well, and also it's the style of the shirt. The style of the shirt, you know, really goes with this style of jeans. So it wasn't necessarily so much the color, but I think this bright pop of yellow does look really well on the black and white. Let me know which one you think I should have picked. And of course, I have it on again with the heels. I pulled some boots to put on with it, but I didn't like them with this style of jeans. So it, on my body type, it just made me look frumpy. So with the heels again, you guys always love when I pair things with heels. And pin my hair back a little bit for this style of tank top. Yeah, so definitely let me know which one is your favorite.
And that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud and come on, lose control. Get to live or we get too old. Come on, shine.
So guys, let me know what you think about these. I was not sure about them at first, but I am so definitely love that stark contrast of the black and white, and there are several ways to style them. So yes, let me know what you think if you're gonna try these or if you absolutely hate them. I wanna hear that too. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and if you want motivation to help you get those upcycles done, I do have an upcycle class that meets once a month. Hit that join button down below to learn more about that, and I have other tutorials right here for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!